I have a project. I want to show a couple different options for the second floor. So to do that, design options are perfect. So we come down here to the design option icon, click on it, and we're going to make a new option set. So we say new. I'm going to have two options there, so I'll say new again. And then I'm going to rename this to the, I like caps, where the bedroom is in the rear, and the other one is all front bedroom. Okay, so there we go. I've made an option set, and I can rename that too. So let's rename the option set, and we're going to call that second floor bedrooms. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Close it down. I'm going to grab everything. What I want to do is take this fourth bedroom and move it up, fit everything in this area, and leave that without a bedroom in the back. So let's see. So I told the client I would give them that option because we might have a height issue, and that's why I'm talking about. Otherwise, obviously, it's nicer to have the bedrooms the way they are. The rear view is really nice. But anyway, that's not what this is about. So anyway, I'm going to take all of this guy. Whoops. Drag him back. Grab the wrong thing. I'm going to grab everything here because I don't know if I will be moving any of the exterior walls or not. So I've grabbed everything there, and I will just simply come over to add to option set, which is the other button. And I want to put it on both because I don't know what kind of changes will be made or not. So I'm going to say, okay. Now I could have filtered out the stairs because the stairs will stay where they're at. And to do that, I simply would have done this and then come over to the filter, and any parts of the stair, I would have said, I would have said no, but I didn't do it. So that's fine. Not the end of the world. Okay, so now I want to test what I just did here. Let's see, I'm in the main model. Let's go to all bedrooms in the front. So let's make a change here just to test it. I know that if I'm having all the bedrooms in the front, there will not be this wall. So let's delete it. All right, the error message is about the enclosed room. But if we go back now to the rear bedroom option, that wall comes back, then I've properly set this up, in my opinion. So now I can go back, and the changes that I want to make are going to be to the all front bedroom option. So now that's active, and I'll start erasing or deleting much of the, would have been better, of course. I'll delete much of the stairs or the step, all of the walls and the components here, and then put new items in there. But it would have been better to delete the stairs from the option set, because then I wouldn't have to worry about erasing it or deleting it now, which I couldn't do if it wasn't part of the option set. Anyway, I'm going to pause the recording here because you don't need to see me make those changes. But the nice thing is that if I set this for option 2, every suite has option 2 settings on it. And if I set it for option 1, every suite has option 1 settings on it. So it's a wonderful feature. So again, I've gone in and deleted all of the walls. I think this wall might stay in either scheme. And if I take a look at my second floor now, all of the walls are gone. If I change it back to my rear bedroom option, everything is there and everything is there. So this is a very easy way to make modifications to the floor plan and have different options to present to the client in Revit, because it's a 3-dimensional model. in AutoCAD, you could just draw another plan right to the side of the one next to it. But here we're actually changing a three-dimensional model. So the options came out to be pretty beneficial. And I'm going to stop it here because I've demonstrated the ideas here. I've got the two, all front bedrooms, definitely cleaned it up. I'll just add some more rooms in here, get everything in there. But the purpose of sharing this is just about the option set, not about how the designs go. So I hope that helped.